Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a question, October 2020, 51 variant question number 3. And so what the question is, K is completing is throwing event. A throw is counted as a success if the distance achieved is greater than 30 meters. And if the probability that K will achieve the success is 0.25. So this is called probability of favor. So, and oftenly we use GOP. So what is the P here? 0.25. So it means P is 0.25 naturally, and Q, I can say that 1 minus that. So Q turns to be 0.75. Okay, this is clear. And he's saying that more than 6. And we have a two formulas, the whole this kind of situation, when first formula is for equal, and that is equals to R, and that Q to power R minus 1 into P. But what is the formula of more than R, more than X, sorry, more than R, this one, X more than R. So this formula is only Q to power R. So let's try to implement this formula because he said more than 6. So K takes more than 6 to achieve the success. So how to do the A part? Because he said probability more than 6 throws. So I will use this formula. And formula is P of X is more than R is equals to Q to power R. So, and I will write here more than 6. So Q to power 6. Q is 0.75 to power 6. And wait a minute, and just typing in calculator. Hold on. And let me check. Yeah, the answer is turned to be 0.178. So first part is completely over. First part is completely over. So let's go for B part. Okay. All right. We can write infection, but decimals okay, 3SF. Let's go for the next part. Next part is that the probability that random sample of 10 throws. Remember when, look, in the upper part, they did not mention how many throws are total of sample mentioned in the lower part. So this is called N. So it means N is given by him 10 and K has achieved at least 3 success. What does at least 3 success means? If I make it this number line, and this is actually binomial. You can ask me how you know, sir, this is binomial, because in the upper part, he did not mention total throws, how many. And when there are n throws are there, like we cannot say how many, the infinite, like 6 to continue forever. How many throws we can't say. So that is called geometrical topic, geometrical question. And when he mentioned a sample, the 10 throws, this is called binomial. So this is binomial. And binomial formula, we have n mentioned always. So let's start. So, and geometrical 0 is not counted, make sure, and binomial 0 counted. There's a difference between them. Anyway, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And he's saying what? At least 3 successes. At least 3 means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this I need, but I don't want 2, 0, and 1. So students, what is technique? I have 2 choices. Choice number 1, apply so many formulas, binomial. And what is a binomial formula? Let me write it here. So binomial formula I'm writing here, and that is a BI, B only is a sign symbol of binomial, n comma p. So what is n? Total trials, and p stand for probability of favor, that is 0.25. And formula is NCR q to power n minus r p to power r. This is a binomial formula. So, but problem is that how we use so many times formula is very hard to apply. But do you know some of the all even is a 1. So our plan is 1 minus. So if x value is 0 plus x value is a 1 and plus x value is 2, I will find all 3 possibilities which are not required, and let's apply it. So what is n? It value and r. Actually, you can say x or r, so no problem at all. So these are called x even. So x is equals to r, r is equal to 0, r is equal to 1, and r is equal to 2. So r is 0, so I will plug in here, and n value 10, you know it very well. So let's apply formula 10, say 0, 2 brackets, or okay. Then 10 C1, 2 brackets. And lastly, 10C2, again, we have 2 brackets. Okay, in each first bracket, I must write Q. So 0.75 comes in first bracket, 0.25 come in second bracket. 0.75, 0.25, 0.75, 0.25. And difference of n and r comes in the first power. So 10 minus 0 comes here, and 0, 10 minus 1, so 1, 10 minus 2, so 2. And now if I apply the formula, and I will get my answer. 1 minute, please. I just check it in my calculator. I typed already. I got 0.474. And I believe you got a point very clear, and question is completely over.